Hey, we just become best friends with these people. I was kidding and said you got any extra hot dogs, and they insisted for us to come back, and we did. Good thing I'm not bashful. Them people are awesome, for real. All right, guys, we just showed up to Beechbend Raceway. We're getting ready to check out the Tri-5 Nationals. Everything here is a Tri-5, 55, 6, and 7. We're going to see what all they can do to them. Come on, baby, we'll show you the action. Joe, check out this freaking golf cart, dude. It's a 57 Chevy. It looks just like one. Oh, my God. I know I say it in every video, but you can't hide money, baby. Dude, we could get one built to make it look just like my little white truck. Tailgate hanging off, headlight popped out, freaking bumper zip tied on. Heck yeah, we could probably make that. I love this color on that, man. That's cool. Love that car, buddy. Too cool. How long you had this thing?
1968.
That's too cool. Has it been a race car pretty well ever since you had it?
Yep.
Wow.
It sat for a long time when they changed the rules on this.
Yeah?
Back in the day, it was a race car.
Yeah, that's awesome. Hey, it looks awesome, buddy. We love it. Good luck today. Joe, how do you get any cooler than that? I've seen some super cool cars already, then I've seen this, and it like, holy crap. Hey, Rob would love it because it's green. 55 gasser, boy, with a freaking blower motor. Dude, that shit's up taller than my old Toyota pickup did. And I like it. Dude, look at all the sparkle, Joe. Oh, hey, Joe, it's a stick. So sweet, dude. This is my favorite car here so far, brother. Look at all these sparkles, dude. It looks like a bass boat. Man, that's awesome. Check this out. He drives it in power tour. That means he can drive it. How cool is that? All right, brother. Let's go check out some more of these cool rides. This so far, this is awesome. They got a huge car show. Then you come down here and we got the performance stuff. A lot of race cars. They're all 55, 6, or 7. It's cool, dude. Yeah, there's a man older than 69, baby. Yeah. Hey, Joe, you see the stands are completely packed on both sides. Completely. This is sick. Heck yeah. Old school, baby. You got gassers, 4 doors, everything. It's cool. Sticks, automatic. Oh, dude, how cool is that? This is cool. There's everything here. Crowds are packed. That's a cool car. No, I'm not supposed to be in here. I just walked in. I'm getting good at that. Man, there's some super cool cars here. Holy cow. These are like crazy right here, boys and girls. No, I'm not supposed to be in here, but that is super cool right here. 2 freaking gassers, old school, baby. That was worth sneaking in right here. Oh, dude. You guys got some awesome cars. I love it. Hey, how's it feel to be having the coolest cars here?
Pretty awesome.
They seriously are awesome. Yeah. Wall tap right there. That means he's not afraid to tap the wall. That's always a good sign, boys. He's already tapped the wall. He ain't afraid to do it again. Expect the hammer to be laid. Guys, here goes a couple gassers. I'm sorry for shaking, but I'm too excited. There's freaking 55, 56, and 57s everywhere. Some of them are pro mods, some of them are something that looks like it pulled out of the garage. That was an old gasser and it's all beat up from hitting the walls. I love it. There's all kinds of cool cars here. And then if you don't like race cars, there's a car show that's got thousands of cars here. I think there's like 3,000 cars here. I freaking wound up and I'm sneaking in the pits again. This is gonna be awesome, man. Oh, you can smell that race fuel, baby. There we go. Jeff Lutz's wife, and I'd say here comes Jeff Lutz. Yep, here we go. Jeff Lutz, boys and girls. It's the Drive 5 National, baby. Oh, yeah. I had no idea he was going to be here. No idea. I don't know, I've seen a lot of them live. That's one of my favorites. Dang, that's cool. Oh, wait a minute, they're all cool. Man, my father's missing out. He'd love this. Look at it. Everywhere you look, full 55, 6, or 7. That 57 looks like a catfish. Usually I'll film small clips, or them guys will film small clips of me and Rob will cut them out. But I just keep filming because it's so cool. It's like every time we get ready to turn the camera off, there's something else cool goes by. I love it, boys and girls. I gotta go find my buddies. I don't know where the heck they're at. Joe, I like that. I like it just like it is. Cool, ain't it? You like it, Junior?
No.
Oh, that boy. We're leaving him here.
He is not going back.
No, he ain't going back. Oh, look at that shifter. He's got the same shifter I got. Cool old car. Oh, wait a minute. There's cool cars everywhere. Guys, if I filmed all these cars, it'd be like a 2-day video. So we're just going to get quick clips for you. Hey, you was rolling, buddy. That's cool. Jeff Lutz, boys and girls. I had no idea he was going to be here. That's cool. He showed up. Let's see if Finnegan's here. Sometimes he brings that Blasphemy 55. That'd be cool if he's here. I need some of them scooters, boys. I like that. You get them at Walmart? Oh. Let's go to Walmart and get some scooters, brother. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. No, this one's a 4-door, but check this one out, dude. Oh, what do you think about that one, Pops? Look at that, baby. Yo, check this maroon car out.
At least.
I bet that thing sounds wicked. You know what? Dude, this is such a cool event. It's so laid back. Check it out. A lot of old people back there having a picnic, and it's awesome. You guys got any extra hot dogs? Woo! No, I'm just kidding. Oh, no, we're just kidding. Appreciate it, though. You guys want a hot dog? He said, yeah, he wants a hot dog. Heck yeah. You guys are awesome. Too cool.
Get you a couple of plates so you can that first
You guys are awesome. There you go.
There's some cookies in there, buddy. There's some chips. Pick out whatever you want to drink, buddy.
Here's something to drink.
There's some Capri Suns if you can have the sugar. There's chips.
He'd rather have water.
There's some, do you want some chips? We have these. You like
Hey, John, what do you got down there?
A whole bunch of food. Hey, we just become best friends with these people. I was kidding and said you got any extra hot dogs, and they insisted for us to come back, and we did. Good thing I'm not bashful. I got a bunch of food too.
Heck yeah.
Y'all
got?
can come anytime.
Yeah, I appreciate it for real.
Back if you want some later.
Mmm,
It's here.
good stuff.
He says we'll be back before we leave.
You come back, buddy.
Mmm. Them people are awesome, for real. That's how we would be. Really?
No matter how long
Check out all those power tours.
Joe, how often you look? It's got a freaking boat motor on it, dude. How often you just walk through the pits and people's cooking? And I was completely kidding and said, "Yeah, y'all got an extra hot dog," and they kept on and kept on until now I'm eating all their food. Man, people are awesome down here. I love it. That is so sweet. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look at the flag. Ooh, you wanna buy that one? This is a top 25 we're looking at now, and they're all awesome.
All right, attention to the pit, attention in the pit.
That's cool. Look at that old 57. Man. That's cool, that old pickup too. Man. There's so much cool stuff here, guys. Oh, the red tinted glass. Talk about old school, baby. Hey guys, this is the gasser class. My battery is about dead on our camera, so this is super cool. So we're going to try to show you all these cars, but it's going to be short clips, or this video is going to be 2 days long, and I'm about out of battery. So, but this is all gassers. Super cool, super cool. Nice breeze up here too. It's awesome. All right, shut it off. The battery's about dead. had a killer time, but we're headed out because I have no battery left. But we're going to go charge my phone and head to the Corvette Museum, baby. Gonna make the best of it later. This was an awesome show, wasn't it, guys?
Oh, great.
Heck yeah, one of the coolest things ever. Peace.